Hey, honey, have you seen my ties?
No, you said ties are stupid and you threw them all out.
But I need one. Maybe I could use my favorite tool, the belt sander, and make one. Well, I got some butternut from a guy in Eastern PA a long time ago. Can't find him on the internet anymore. I don't know. Maybe he died, but traced something on there that kind of looks like a tie, according to my measurements, and I'm gonna cut it out. It's belt sander time! Once you get it all sanded up, you could stain it. I stained most of mine. I think I'm just going to leave this one natural though. Then you cut out a ribbon that'll fit right around your neck. And you just go ahead and you can fasten it a number of ways, but I use staples. I cut the staples to shorten them a little bit so they won't go through the wood. Then you cut off some Velcro tabs. And you get your needle and thread.
Ready.
Just say it.
Just say it.
What should I say?
Say. Once you get a wooden tie, you can do the pendulum.